Backlinks are still the number one factor for ranking a website. These are nothing but incoming links from another website. Backlinks are like votes from a third-party site acknowledging the quality of your website. So the power of such vote is higher when links are from higher authority and more relevant websites. Web page with a lot of quality backlinks rank higher on all major search engines, including Google. So here's how links serve to rank a web page. When a web page links to any of your articles or your website's homepage, it passes something called link juice. This link juice helps with the ranking of the article and also improves the domain authority. But the website owner who's linking your site can stop passing the link juice to your site by using something called a nofollow tag. Usually, link juice will not be passed on to unknown sources. Links from comment section of a website are usually tagged as nofollow, as anybody can comment with any of their website link. By default, all the links that you add into a blog post are do-follow links, and these pass the link juice until and unless you decide to make them as no-follow. Links from your industry-related high-authority websites are considered to be quality websites or quality backlinks. So you should try to gain backlinks from such sites. Low-quality links are the ones that come from spammy sites or even porn sites. These links do far more harm than good, and most of the times these links are bought and sold from the market. So never buy backlinks in the market. Try to always earn the backlinks. I'll show you how to earn high quality backlinks in my upcoming lessons. And links that are going from one page to another within the same domain are called internal links. These are different from backlinks or external links. Whenever links are created, a text is used to hyperlink, and this text is called anchor text. Anchor text backlinks work great when you are trying to rank them with particular keywords. A few years back, even low quality links used to rank a website, but nowadays Google has rolled out something called a penguin algorithm, and the whole landscape of backlinking has changed. It's important to have backlinks from high quality sites, and these backlinks should be contextual. For example, let's say your site is about travel and tourism, and if you are creating links from a site in the niche, let's say oil and gas, those backlinks will be of no use. Your goal should be to get links from relevant and at the same time high authority sites. Now let's see how to earn backlinks.